Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this simple trending clothing rack because I needed some extra space for clothes. Closets got kind of full, so I needed some extra somewhere else to put them. So I just got this in the mail. For this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you so you can see how everything comes. You can see already that the box here is pretty compact. So if you can see, you have a bunch of bars and tubes, of course. I'll just pull those out so we can see everything that it has. So the bags are labeled, so that can be, of course, your instructions. Um, this bag isn't labeled, but you can easily see the mark on the tube itself. Okay, so this one, it looks like it tells you the directions too. So I put together like several other things, and I always end up like turning these around backwards and having to redo it. So I believe that's what this is for. So it's marked to help avoid some of those assembly mistakes. And this one is a double rod hanger. So we're gonna have quite a few pieces. You can see this one has an extension on it. More tubes, more rods. Or we get a uh, two sets of wheels in here. Now there's the other side of the extension rods. So put those together. Some hanger S hooks and the hardware pack. So it does have an Allen wrench and a wrench in there along with your bolt, so you don't need your own tools. And then finally at the bottom, I found the assembly instructions here. So I'll do another video of the assembly itself and then a review of the overall product after I get it up and try it out for a little while.